Hey guys, it's Pepsi98 and today I'm going to show you how to rejuvenate an old, matted, tangled up synthetic wig. See, when I first got this wig, it was so fleeky, nice and sleek and straight. But as you can see, especially around the neck area, it's gotten all matted up. So I'm just going to show you guys how to completely fix this up so you can wear your synthetic wig, full synthetic wig, all over again in just a few easy steps. So the first thing you're going to do is you're just going to comb out these mats and knots to the best of your ability. Oh my goodness. Very tough, but you want to start off by really detangling the wig, especially the ends, because that's usually where it gets matted up, especially the ends. So you really want to work your way through that. I'm going to get my brush too. I want to brush and comb out these matted ends. Oh my goodness. See how strong this is? So next thing you want to do is you want to dip your wig, especially the ends, into boiling hot water. The hotter the better, honestly, but I mean it's up to you depending on how matted your wig is. Let me get this oven mitt out. Oh, and you really need to wear an oven mitt. This is an old oven mitt, but you really need to wear an oven mitt and gloves because this hot steam is like boiling hot, so it's gonna hurt you if you don't wear any gloves and an oven mitt. I'm not wearing an oven mitt on this hand because it's not really effective, but this one, it's like it would be burning if I didn't wear it. As you're dipping your wig, you also want to be brushing it. So you want to be brushing the ends. You want to be brushing the part that's inside the water. Just like try your best not to get it on yourself, but just keep brushing. And while you're doing this, you don't have to dip the whole wig into the pot because you're gonna do that later. But you really want to focus on the ends, and if you get shedding, that's perfectly fine. I think it's worth it. Next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour some Fabuloso inside the wig cap so I can clean it. It doesn't really matter how much you use. Mine is kind of dirty, so I gotta use a lot. I'm just gonna scrub it like this, and I'm soaking it in lukewarm water. This is not the boiling water yet, but we're gonna get to that. All the water is drained out first, and now I'm gonna pour the boiling hot water onto the wig, focusing on the ends again, focusing on the ends because that's the main part. It's really hot, so make sure you're holding something, you're using something to hold the handles of the pot. Let's get it all over the wig, all over it. So basically the last thing you really need to do, besides combing it out and brushing it out continuously, when I say continuously, I mean like literally every second. Like you really want to ensure that the wig is nice and straight. But the last thing you need to do is get a blow dryer and put it on high and put it on cool shot or cold. I don't know, some blow dryers have different settings. This is called Vitals Hassan. It's an ionic blow dryer. I don't know what that really means, but I'm just gonna put it on high, and then I'm gonna hold cold shot the whole time, and I'm gonna like do it in this motion, kind of like steaming it, but just not touching the wig, but just as close to it as possible, so I can really make this dry fast, and then continuously comb and brush it. Alright, so that's pretty much it. See how sleek and silky this is? No more matting, no more knots. Completely soft.
Your body they make me my own. Give me that pimpin'. Oh yeah, give me that pimpin'. Girl, I rockin' the pimpin'. Baby girl, just wind that pimpin'. Oh yeah, give me that pimpin'. Oh yeah, give me that pimpin'. Girl, I rockin' the pimpin'.